Listen up, folks. Today we're talking about a technical indicator that's as easy to understand as it is effective, the alligator indicator. This bad boy was developed by a legendary trader named Bill Williams to help you spot trends in the market. And let me tell you, it's a real game changer. This isn't about predicting the future. It's about reading the market's mood. The alligator indicator uses 3 moving averages, each representing a part of the alligator's mouth. Think of it like this: the jaw, teeth, and lips. These lines tell you if the market is trending up, down, or just taking a nap. It's all about timing, folks. The alligator indicator gives you a clear signal when to buy, when to sell, and when to sit on your hands. It's like having a secret weapon in your trading arsenal. Now let's talk about the 2 main states of our alligator sleeping and hungry. When the alligator is sleeping, the 3 lines are close together and intertwined. It means the market is dormant, and there's no clear trend. In this case, you don't want to be messing around. Stay away. But when the alligator gets hungry, watch out. The lines start to spread apart, with the jaw being the furthest. This signals a strong trend is emerging and it's time to make some money. Remember, a hungry alligator is a profitable alligator. So how do you actually use this thing? It's simple. When the alligator wakes up and the lines start to diverge, look for a break above the upper line, the teeth, for a buy signal. Conversely, a break below the lower line, the jaw, signals a sell. It's all about following the alligator's lead. Once you're in a trade, let your profits run as long as the alligator stays hungry. But be ready to get out when it starts to slow down, and the lines converge. Remember, even alligators need a nap eventually. Now here's the most important part: risk management. No matter how good a trading strategy is, you need to protect your capital. Always use a stop-loss order. This automatically closes your trade if the market moves against you, limiting your potential losses. Think of it like this: the stop-loss is your insurance policy in the market. It's better to lose a little than to lose it all. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. So trade smart, manage your risk, and let the alligator indicator be your guide to profitable trading.